guys, today we are making pumpkin oatmeal. This pumpkin oatmeal is the perfect breakfast for this fall. So if you want to learn how to make it, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Let's go! Okay, so to start, we're gonna add 2 cups of milk in the medium saucepan, 1 cup rolled oat, half cup pumpkin puree, here we go, and half teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, a pinch of salt. Turn on fire, stir all your ingredients until well combined. Bring oatmeal to a boil, then reduce the heat. Stir consistently for about 5 minutes until you reach the desired consistency. Let's go! For our oatmeal topping, we're gonna use some toasted pecan. We're gonna go ahead and chop it up. Let's go! Okay, here we go. Our oatmeal is ready, so now let's serve. Put in your bowl, just like this. And we're going to drizzle on 2 tablespoons maple syrup. Just like that. Okay, our pumpkin oatmeal is ready, so now let's go for the tasting. Wow, this is bossingly bossing. Bossing. Wow, this pumpkin oatmeal is so rich in flavor. Pumpkin, pecan, this is the perfect breakfast for this fall. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. Okay, so we have ended our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And also, don't hesitate to subscribe if you're new on my channel. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace!